scientists discovered a simple paper-based invention that has revolutionized how we organize our thoughts and tasks. In the early 1960s, Dr. Spencer Silver, a scientist at 3M, was trying to develop a strong adhesive. However, he ended up creating a weak, pressure-sensitive adhesive that could be easily removed. This accidental discovery would later become the foundation for Post-it notes. Silver's colleagues at 3M were initially unsure of what to do with the new adhesive, but one day, a colleague named Art Fry came up with the idea to use it to create small, removable notes. Fry, a member of the 3M choir, needed a way to mark the pages of his hymnal without damaging the book. He used Silver's adhesive to create small pieces of paper with a sticky note on one side and a blank surface on the other. These early prototypes were called Press and Peel, but they eventually became known as Post-it notes. Initially, the product was met with skepticism by 3M's management, who questioned its potential market size. However, Silver and Fry persisted, and their product eventually gained popularity in the late 1970s and early 1980s. The first Post-it notes were launched in 1977, and they quickly became a hit with office workers and students. Today, sticky notes are used for a wide range of purposes, from jotting down quick reminders to creating complex diagrams. But have you ever wondered how Post-it notes are actually made? The manufacturing process involves a combination of paper production, adhesive application, and cutting. The adhesive is applied to the paper in a precise pattern, and then the paper is cut into small rectangles. Each Post-it note is then packaged individually and shipped to retailers around the world. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that the adhesive used in Post-it notes is actually a mixture of acrylic and rubber polymers? This unique combination gives the adhesive its characteristic stickiness and removability. It's like a thin layer of rubbery glue that can be easily stuck and unstuck without leaving a residue. Imagine being able to attach and detach a sticky note multiple times without leaving any marks. That's exactly what happens with Post-it notes, thanks to the magic of Dr. Silver's adhesive.
But wait until you hear what comes next. Did you know that Post-it notes are also used in space exploration?
NASA has used sticky notes to mark equipment and important documents on the International Space Station. In fact, the zero-gravity environment of space has even inspired new uses for Post-it notes. For example, astronauts have used them to attach small tools and devices to the walls of the space station. It's a testament to the versatility and practicality of sticky notes. But what does this mean for our daily lives? Post-it notes have become an essential tool for anyone who needs to jot down quick reminders or ideas. They're a simple yet powerful invention that has revolutionized the way we organize our thoughts and tasks. In fact, sticky notes have become so ubiquitous that we often take them for granted. But the next time you use a sticky note, remember the fascinating story behind it. And who knows, maybe one day we'll discover an even more revolutionary invention that will change the way we live and work. But that's not the only thing that's surprising about Post-it notes. Did you know that they are also used in art and design? Some artists have even used sticky notes as a medium in their creative work. Imagine being able to create complex patterns and designs using nothing but sticky notes. It's like a whole new world of art and creativity opens up when you use Post-it notes. But what about the impact of sticky notes on our environment? The production and disposal of sticky notes do have an impact on the environment. However, 3M has taken steps to reduce the environmental impact of Post-it notes. For example, they use recyclable materials in their production process. They also offer a recycling program for used sticky notes. It's a reminder that even the simplest inventions can have a big impact on our world. So the next time you use a sticky note, remember the story behind it. And who knows, maybe one day we'll discover an even more sustainable way to create sticky notes. But for now, let's appreciate the simple yet powerful invention that is the sticky note. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want to learn more about the science behind sticky notes? Check out our next video for a deeper dive into the world of adhesives and materials science. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and comment below.